Southwest is a popular rewards program because of how easy it is to use their rewards points, as well as the different perks that they offer to their passengers. Today we're going to be talking about how to transfer your Chase Ultimate Rewards over to Southwest Rapid Rewards and why you would want to do this. Let's get into it. Hello everyone, my name's Michael. This is Nurse Michael Travels, here where we're talking about travel plans, award travel, and how to save money. Let's get right into today's video. Before even thinking about transferring your points over to Southwest, you need one of 3 premium cards that Chase offers. You either need the Chase Sapphire Preferred, the Chase Sapphire Reserve, or the Chase Ink Business Preferred. If you need referral links to any of those cards, check them out in the description below. But only with one of these premium cards are you able to transfer out to travel partners, including Southwest Airlines. And you may be thinking, why would I want to do this? Well, for one, you may just need a couple thousand points that you're missing from your Southwest account to book a reservation you have your eye on. And so you just need to move a couple thousand Chase points over to make that booking. And some might be thinking, what about the Chase Travel Portal? Well, if you haven't noticed yet, Southwest flights actually don't show up on the search results. You have to call the 1-800 number, talk to a representative, see if they have that flight available. To get to that point, you're going to notice you're almost guaranteed to spend many more Chase points trying to book that flight than if you were to just transfer directly to Southwest and book it on southwest.com. Additionally, by booking through the travel portal, you would give up the very generous cancellation policy that Southwest has for its award bookings. For this reason, it's almost always the best answer to transfer your Chase points over to Southwest directly and book on their website. All right, we talked about the prerequisites and we talked about the why. Let's go ahead and get on the laptop and let's check out how. Alrighty, so we are on chase.com. So first we're gonna log into our account with just putting your username and password. That'll take you to your accounts page. You're gonna go over to Ultimate Rewards, over in the rewards panel on the right, click onto here. It'll bring up your different Chase cards. I've got the Freedom Flex as well as the Sapphire Preferred. Like I said, we need to go into our Sapphire card in order to transfer over to Southwest. That'll take you to the Ultimate Rewards landing page. So we're gonna go over here to the menu. We're not gonna click on travel because that'll take us to the travel portal. We need to go to transfer to travel partners. So we'll click that there. That'll take you to a landing page here with all of the different airline and hotel partners that you're able to transfer your points to. We're going to click on Southwest. However, I already linked my account, so I'm going to click over to Singapore Airlines so I can show you what it looks like to first link your account since you haven't done that yet. So this is Chris Fire. We'll talk about the program details for you, transfer points. It'll ask for your account number, so you need your Rapid Rewards number handy. You'll just verify your account number and it'll click on some confirmation buttons and it will link it to your account. All right, so we're going to click on Southwest here. This will take us to the program details, give you all the terms, conditions, etc. I will note here, it does say transfer timing, that it may take up to the next business days and up to 7 days. I'll tell you right now that every time I've transferred to Southwest, it's been instant. You know, you transfer the points, you wait a couple minutes, it shows up in your account. So I wouldn't mind this too much unless you're doing a lot of back-to-back transfers for some reason. Then it may cause a hiccup or lag time. So anyways, we'll click on transfer points and then it will verify your Rapid Rewards number. And then it'll ask how many points do you want to transfer. And note, you do need to do it in increments of 1,000. So if you only need, I don't know, 5,500 points, you're gonna have to round up to 6,000. So I'm just gonna do 1,000 for the heck of it. Click next. It will verify you wanna move 1,000 points from your Chase account over to Southwest. You're gonna hit submit and then you'll find it in your account just a few minutes later. And that is how you transfer your Chase points over to Southwest. Now, before you go transferring all your Chase points over to Southwest to start booking flights, keep some things in mind. First, like and subscribe to this video so that way this video has a chance to reach others and help others in your shoes right now. 2, it is a one-way streak. You cannot transfer your points back from Southwest to Chase. So make sure you have a redemption in mind before transferring those points because it's a one-way streak. All right, a bonus tip for y'all sticking around here. I mentioned you need a premium card in order to transfer your points. However, we know Chase has some cashback cards that they offer, such as the Chase Freedom Flex, the Freedom Unlimited, and the Business Ink cards that earn cash back. They all have their unique earning categories that can help supercharge your earning rate. And if you don't have any of those cards, check out the referral links below. So you can earn cash back with these cards, transfer that cash back into your Sapphire account and pull the rewards there, and that will turn into ultimate reward points for you to then transfer to travel partners and unlock more value that way. That's a wrap for this one, y'all. Stick around for one of my next videos where we talk about the Southwest Companion Pass, how to get 2 years of buy one, get one free flights on Southwest. You heard me right. Check it out next. Subscribe if you haven't already.